Okay, this is Sushi Monster. It's a game you could use for lower grades, and I guess the further you go up the levels, the higher you could get. I've seen this used in the first and second grade classrooms. We'll start off with addition, level 1. It's just a fun game for the students to play. The object is to get the target number, which is up here on the left, to feed the monster. The target number is 23, so we have to find the 2 plates of food that equal 23. I'll choose 11 and 12. That gives us 23. Our next target number is 4. How do we equal 4? 3 and 1. Okay, our next target number is 4, where we can find up here again, or we can look around his chest. 3 and 1. Now we have to equal 5. And our last one, 19. Now we're at 7. 2 and 5. And another positive is, it shows the number sentence right here. It said 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now we're at 5, 2 and 3. 14, 4 and 10. Our last one, 22. And now a disadvantage of this game is that it doesn't always give you the right things to meet each target number. If you don't add them up, the meals up the way they want you to, it may not give you all the numbers you need to equal your target number, which may throw some students off. The last number is 15, and they may have wanted you to use a 12 and 3, but you may only have 11, 3 and 1 left, and that'll throw it off, and the game doesn't like things like that, so that will throw off some of the students. See, now here's another thing. If you click the wrong number, you can bring it back and click 11 and 9 equals 20. See, I also could have clicked 12 and 8, but now I needed the 10 and the 8 there. If I had put the 8 last time with the 12 for 20, it may have thrown the students off. Now we're using 3 and 1. And our last one, 3 and 12. And I guess we've beaten this level. Now it gives us our score. It tells us we have a 14 correct out of 14. The students know how they've done, and they have the choice of going to the next level, replaying, or just choosing a random level. They can come down here and do multiplication now if they wish. Now it's all the same pace. First one, 9 times, or what equals 90. We look up here, target number. And it's also here, 9 times 10 equals 90. Now, 9 times 12 equals 108. And some of these may be tricky, and it does give the students the option. If they don't know it, they can skip it and press skip right here. Now we go to 18. What times what equals 18? 9 times 2. Now we have 30. How do we figure out what times what equals 30? Let's try 5 times 6. Does that equal 30? It does. Now it brings us back. Now our choices are 3 times 12 equals 36, and that's easy for us to solve. And that is how you use Sushi Ninja.